Okay, Gary's Tour fans, you folks have told me you like walking around. We had a poll, you like the walking shot? And they said, don't play music. It annoys people. So we're at 105th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. We're going to walk down Amsterdam Avenue and see what's there to be seen. And try not to get run over in the process. It's always a good thing to do. There's the direction we're going, south on Amsterdam Avenue. It's about 88 degrees. It's July 16th, 2025. Stuff for sale here, mops, chairs. About 88 degrees, so people are dressed for 88 degree weather. This is commonly called the Upper West Side. Spanish Harlem, but what's happened is the people on the Upper West Side keep expanding northward, and the rents go up, and then the Upper West Side is built. We're going to walk deeper into the Upper West Side and see what's there, what's going on here. What excitement can we see? Interesting looking buildings. Tree-lined streets, which is nice. I hear kids in the background at a school playing outdoors. There's a Papa John's pizza. How about that? Not hungry for Papa John's right now. EBT, food stamps. Dunkin' Donuts, how about that? All the essentials. Chinese food. Helmets. I think when I see so many babies, I say the world is safe. We're not going to be depopulated soon. The deli? That's a Stewart Street, 103rd Street. When I arrived, there was a beautiful blue sky and the sun was out. Now we have a situation where it's starting to get cloudy. Don't know why, but it's starting to get cloudy here.
And they're going to link together to get you.
The clouds? I see some blue sky. Senior Center, built in 1964, adjacent to a housing project. Hanging food. Green cuisine is not open. Pharmacy. Not open yet either. Don't know why. It's about 10:30. You'd think most stores would be open now. things like that. 2x4s. There's kids playing in the playground across the street. This is like a large apartment building undergoing rehab, I'd say. FedEx delivering something. Someone with a suitcase. How do you walk around cities with suitcases these days? F you, man. Apartments for rent. Now we're at 100th Street. Apartments for rent. Sunshine, Orthodontic, Dentistry. That means he sells braces. He's a brace installer. Big bucks in that. It used to be like $5,000-$6,000. Now they're, I think, 10 or 15. St. Miguel's Church, St. Michael's Church, Episcopal Church. How about that? Well, what's over there? I see some blue sky, but the sun's not as much cooperating now. More kids. Lots of kids' voices out there. 98th Street we're passing now. So, leave a comment and tell us what you like. Tell us what other streets you want to see in New York City. And if you subscribe, that would be nice too. Hit the red subscribe button on the lower right-hand side of your screen. There constantly. Push that button and you'll automatically subscribe. And it doesn't cost you anything. All it means is that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Free. And if you hit like, that'll help the Google algorithm direct you to further videos like the one you're watching right now.
And then it's like, we're getting frustrated.
Really, can we exit anywhere else? Yeah, but like, it's just like, and it's not to mention the 2,000 people. Right, I mean, the thing is like, this
Now we're at 98th Street. Very residential community there. Espresso wine bar and restaurant. How about that? There's someone using their computer there. More people using their computer. It must be free Wi-Fi in that wine bar. Get a cup of coffee and use the Wi-Fi. Here's the decorated store. This is the Pico Gallo Mexican restaurant. Nicely decorated. Cellar. I used to have those where I grew up in Port Washington, out on Long Island. Walk along and they can open them and bring supplies into the basement through delivery trucks. Now we're at 97th Street. Apartment buildings there. Beautiful apartment buildings. another big church. Wow. We're in Europe. This would be a sight to see. I wonder what kind of church it is. Let's see what they say. We're at 96th Street now. This is Church of the Holy Name of Jesus. Great parish. So it's a Roman Catholic church. And now we have the famous pizzeria Origlia. I probably didn't pronounce that right. The sun has come out. Doesn't everything look much better with the sun out? You can see better. There's the Hudson River down that way. Yes, the sun. Beautiful now. Makes for much nicer videos when the sun is out too. Here's the Broadway Dive Book Club. Dive bar food. Pretzel, $16. Chicken fingers, $23. This is the Upper West Side. Buffalo wings, $20. Sandwiches. BLT, $14. Joe's Philly cheesesteak, $18. Okay, the dive bar. Trivia night every Tuesday. There's someone opening up this. Liquor store, it's not open yet. Shah's halal food. You need halal food? This is the place to come, I guess. Alright, so this concludes our tour of Amsterdam Avenue from 105th Street to the 95th Street. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.